Imagine waking up to canyon views in the morning. Morning walks right from your front door and over 100 miles of scenic trails to explore the entire area of Yorba Linda, and some of these trails that'll take you all the way to the Pacific Ocean. Welcome to Yorba Linda, where luxury living meets an active and connected lifestyle. Known to be one of the safest cities in all of California, home to redwood groves, access to some of the most premier golf in Orange County, with both Black Gold Golf Club and the Yorba Linda Country Club just minutes away, top-ranked public and private schools, and a community that truly feels like home. Add in great restaurants, I Love Stefano's, Evans Smokehouse, the O.C. Wine Martin Deli, Brewster's Ice Cream, just to name a few. Whether you're raising a family, living life on your own terms, or creating your dream home, Yorba Linda gives you the space, the safety, and the sophistication to do it all in style. And today I'm taking you inside of a home that's never been on the market before. Custom built, privately positioned, and loved by its original owners, this is more than just a property. It's a rare opportunity to step into a lifestyle rooted in beauty, serenity, and the best of Southern California living. Welcome home. Right when you walk inside, you have this amazing soaring ceilings, the vaulted ceilings on both ends. You've got this incredible walnut finish flooring, this grand chandelier here with the optic crystal. This space, it just feels elegant and open. The living room space is just gorgeous. It's light filled. You've got this amazing bay window that looks right across out to the bridal trail, and it's a nice space that you have here. And then you've got French doors. These French doors are gonna lead you right into your backyard, and you can enjoy the space out there. But here's where your imagination can have a little fun. If you don't need the traditional living room space, what we're seeing a lot of homeowners do is turn these living rooms into the kids' play area. You can imagine the kiddos hanging out here in the front, enjoying themselves. Or for those of you that are doing homeschooling, we've seen a lot of folks turn this into the homeschool area. Or the last thing, if your imagination really wants to go wild, this could be the music room. If you could imagine, I see a piano right here overlooking that bridal trail, and just some cozy chairs sitting here while you enjoy your kiddos playing piano or hearing your favorite tune. It is priceless. Next is your formal dining area. This is big enough for those large gatherings. Imagine the big table like you see here. You've got the buffet counter, you've got this gorgeous chandelier, and then you've got this incredible view right outside of the canyon. So for fun, if you wanted to take this window space here, because you have the framing already set up, you can actually create a sliding door setup here, or you can even add another set of French doors that would open this space up, and then you can have a nice indoor-outdoor flow. And that's if you wanted to go to that next level of imagination for your dining room area. Outside of that, these plantation shutters sit beautifully here, and then you've got this dimmable chandelier that just creates a whole nother level of elegance with this dining room setting. The kitchen. This is where the home truly shines. You have an open concept kitchen between the family room and the kitchen, but everything in here is dialed in for that inner chef in all of you. The kitchen features solid cherry wood cabinetry. You've got granite countertops, this massive center island with the utility station and sink right here so you can command the parties and the gatherings and all the fun times here in your home. On top of all this, the kitchen comes with premium appliances. You've got the double oven LG system set up here, the built-in microwave, the 5-burner stove. You've got cabinets everywhere you can think of, and they're all self-closing. So if anyone wants to get mad and slam some cabinets here, that is not gonna happen. My favorite part of this kitchen is the nook. This breakfast nook area is perfect for starting your day. You get that gorgeous canyon view outside. I mean, just picture it every morning. Sitting here with your bowl of cereal, your bacon, your eggs, your newspaper. Who are we kidding? Who reads the newspaper these days? Your Kindle or your iPad or your iPhone. Just hanging out, enjoying your view, starting your day. I could picture the kiddos here having their breakfast, getting started while the parents are over here getting everything ready for them. There's so much just in this little space here that can create such an incredible memory and sense of security with your home. And I'm here for it. The family room feels just as grand. You've got this gorgeous hardwood flooring, these amazing vaulted ceilings, this Italian marble fireplace that goes all the way up to the top of those vaulted ceilings. This concept here with the kitchen and the family room, I mean, it just says home, and I absolutely love it. This is ideal for hosting, for having family nights. I mean, think of Christmas. You're gonna have 2 trees, by the way. The one out in the front of the living room so you can see when you walk in, and then you're gonna have a big one right here, at least a 20-footer. Kids all walking around, enjoying themselves, right? Chestnuts roasting on top of the fireplace, the whole bit. That's gonna happen here. The memories you're gonna create are just amazing. You've got these French doors that are gonna lead you outside to your backyard, but here's a fun thought. Go with me here. You've got from this wall to that wall, which I believe the next buyer's coming in. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna create this wall of sliders so you can have this grandiose open concept outdoor and indoor. Maybe even picture some La Cantina bifold doors here going all the way to the end and just really optimizing the space here. It's gonna look gorgeous. And if you're dreaming of California living, I mean, this is where it all starts with that indoor-outdoor flow. A nice little fun fact that I didn't get to share with you about the kitchen is you've got this breakfast bar area here too with a hidden wine closet, and you've got some cabinets down there too. So picture some stools here. I mean, it's just a lot of space. They designed this kitchen for everything you can think about, and you're gonna enjoy it. Now above here in the family room, you've got this library / loft that our clients created into an office. It's complete with floor power, so you can float a desk right in the center without visible cords. You've got built-ins that match the custom cabinetry from the kitchen and the bathrooms, and the overlook to the family room below adds such a great energy to the space. Now, each bedroom of this home offers something unique and special. The downstairs bedroom has been reconverted into the ultimate man cave. Get inside here, check this space out. This is set up as a full-blown media room. You've got the 80-inch TV with the Apple setup, the Mac Mini, everything hidden behind so it's crisp, it's clear. I don't see any lines or cords. It is the perfect space to enjoy. And it all could possibly stay with the home too. You never know. I love this space because if you're not looking for the media or the man cave, like I mentioned, you can convert this back into the downstairs bedroom. It's spacious enough. You've got direct access to the bathroom. You've got your own closet. I mean, it is the perfect setup for those of you that are looking for that 1-bedroom downstairs. When it's a custom home, you see nice little features like massive hallway spaces, bull-nose walls. It is the perfect space set up here. I want to take you over to the master suite. Come on, let's go. Ta-da! This master suite feels completely tucked away, which is what you want for your master. You want to feel like it's a retreat. What I love about this primary suite is the vaulted ceilings. It makes it feel much larger than it really is in here. And the space, it's just what you want in a primary. The other bonus is this sitting area here by the bay window. Imagine when you wake up in the mornings and you have this peaceful view of the canyons, or you're ending your day, you've got your book, maybe you've got your glass of wine, you're hanging out. It is such a great space right here. I absolutely love it. The ensuite bath is finished with travertine tile, dual Italian marble vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet with custom organizers for him and her. And the best part is this gigantic stand-up shower. Look at how much space you have in here. Remember, I'm 6'4", 300 pounds. I have a massive wingspan. You could fit about 5 or 6 of me in here. Not that you'd want to. Get your mind out of the gutter. But I love the space in here. It's absolutely perfect. If you love to shower, you love to enjoy your wake-up time in the shower, this is the spot to be. Go see the other bedrooms and the bathrooms, as well as this amazing loft up here, and I will meet you outside. Out here, this is why you move to Yorba Linda. On over 20,000 square feet of land, this backyard has space for everything. We've got a raised 30-foot cabana, comes with your built-in television and Wi-Fi, these amazing seating areas, the tea lights at night. You've got this bar area here so that when you're having the parties and the get-togethers, you got the margaritas up here, the wine, the charcuterie. This here is the conversation area along with that amazing view. On top of all of this, you get this amazing outdoor kitchen so that you can feed your friends and family. It comes completely equipped with the Fire Magic refrigerator and the grill, so you can do some serious damage on here. Now, if you've got the kiddos, you've got plenty of grass out here to play and have fun. You've got these fountains that just create that nice zen and relaxation out here with that gorgeous view of the rolling hills. On top of that, you've got this amazing walkway that gets you over to the steps of your Point Vista area. Following the steps to Point Vista here, this is your own private viewing canyon retreat right in your backyard. It's lined with lavender and jasmine and iceberg roses. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Every single day here, you'll see red-tailed hawks gliding through the air. It's peaceful, it's private, it's unlike anything you'll ever see, and it can be yours. And with all this space back here, think of the parties and the get-togethers. You're gonna have the big jumper right here for the kiddos. You can possibly put out the slip and slide. But let's also think, because remember, you've got a 20,000 plus square foot lot. This area here, for those of you that are just looking to really take it to the next level, you've got plenty of room to expand. Picture this. You've got a pool set up here with an infinity edge, so you can take a look at that gorgeous view, maybe even catch the sunset views at night. Or if you want to expand off another portion of your backyard with your pool, you can have a big deck that extends out. It could be a viewing deck, it could be a party deck. You have the room and the resources to do it. I mean, this house can grow with you. The best part is you've got no neighbors behind you, just rolling hills, peace and serenity, and endless sunsets. This isn't just a house. This is a gateway to everything Yorba Linda offers. How fun was this tour today? I want to take a moment and recap everything that makes this custom home truly special. 3,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, a true custom-built estate, meticulously maintained by its original owners. 4 spacious bedrooms, one of those bedrooms downstairs, 3 beautiful finished bathrooms, an open concept kitchen and family room with luxurious finishes and timeless materials. The library/loft office, soaring ceilings and canyon views from nearly every corner. And outside, a 20,000 square foot lot built for entertaining, relaxing, taking in nature, and room to grow, complete with a cabana, fountains, Point Vista viewing area, and full privacy with no neighbors behind you. But what truly sets this opportunity to own this home apart is the lifestyle. From your front door, your steps from the equestrian trails, scenic parks, you've got San Antonio Park, you've got peaceful paths, that walk-in trails that can literally take you to the beach. Access to some of the most premier golf in Orange County with both Black Gold Golf Club and the Yorba Linda Country Clubs just minutes away. I definitely see a golf cart in your future. Yorba Linda is a bird sanctuary, a top 5 safest city in California, and home to award-winning public and private schools. You've got Travis Ranch Elementary, Yorba Linda High School, St. Francis Private School, and Friends Christian Private School as well. And when you're ready for the magic of the rest of Orange County, you're just a short drive from Disneyland, the Honda Center, Angel Stadium, and some of the best beaches on the West Coast. If you love this tour, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or come check us out behind the scenes and follow us on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.